My anxiety is up because time is getting closer. Today is a special day because I'm taking myself out on a date. This is the first time I'm doing this in like 3 years or so. So it should be very interesting. I'm really trying to push myself into uncomfortable situations, and this is one of them. I decided to take the leap to pretty much do a solo trip on the Rhine. It's pretty much a boat party where there will be DJing, food, dancing, socializing, of course, and fireworks. The interesting thing is it does not get dark until 10 o'clock at night. I'm just trying to basically freshen up this front portion. This little front piece is really all I'm gonna focus on. No, they're all breaking! I'm gonna play some music while y'all watch me kind of prep my hair for tonight. For my hairstyle, it's gonna be very low key. We're gonna be on a boat, so I'm thinking it's gonna be windy. Do I wanna have my hair blowing everywhere? Probably not. Okay, my hair is done. I always seem to be like running behind. So I'm doing this nail polish. It's the Limousine. It's a really cute off pink undertone white. I'm just grabbing my caddy so we can go downstairs and start cooking our cooking lunch. We have about an hour before I need to be like working on walking out the door. My anxiety is up because time is getting closer. It's the unknown for me. It's a lot of stuff going on in my head. I'm turning off all sound outside of some really chill meditation song or music. Talk to y'all a little bit while I get my nails and stuff together. What's going through my mind right now? I'm nervous. I'm very nervous. I used to do these things a lot, especially when I was not a mom. And I got very comfortable with doing that, but it was not in this capacity where I'm like joined with other people. Most of the time I'm cool with just like going out on my own anyways, doing something cute or doing something nice for myself, even like going out to dinner and just dressing myself up real cute. But this is different. I'm gonna be like in a controlled facility or controlled environment with other people I'm gonna have to share spaces with. I'm gonna have to, you know, talk to, move around, just really, I feel like converse with to make this more of a really cool experience. I do very well with like being the first one to run out of a meeting when the meeting's over. I don't mingle at all. For those who are not extroverts, then this will be a bit draining, and it takes a lot more energy for us to really do that. I am nervous, but I'm also looking forward to just meeting new people. I'm just going in with the mindset of everybody's here to have fun. We all came out for the same intention, to have a good time and to truly enjoy the entire experience. So my outfit, I completely changed it. Initially I was gonna do like jeans and some pumps with like a tee, but then I was like, I don't want to be like super jazzy, but I still want to be cute and comfortable. Let me just look on Pinterest and see what I can come up with. I came up with light, airy, chic.
I'm an old school man. I only wanna fall in love once with an old school girl. Old school girl, old school girl. When I know, I'll know. Hand in hand like left, right, oh. Bonnie and Clyde. can have whatever you like when it's you and I. We can have the world. See us coming like left, right, left.